Now let us see the concept of relative velocity. What is meant by relative velocity? How to calculate the relative velocity? Let us see. So velocity description with respect to other. Suppose there are two train tracks are there. There are two train tracks are there, right? So you are traveling in one train, and there is other train which is going. So both are moving in this direction. Suppose this is velocity of A and this is velocity of the B. If velocity of A is 20 kmph, what is the meaning of 20 kmph? The velocity of A is a reference to the earth, which is at rest. See, velocity of B is also there. Means velocity of A with reference to earth is 20 meters per 20 kmph. And see, of course, if you are observing that it is also 20 kmph. Velocity of B reference to the earth stationary. Now if a person observes this one where they are both are moving with the same direction in the parallel tracks, they are called as parallel tracks. Now what is the speed of B? Means velocity of B, a person B in the train second track with reference to A. So after some time both are assuming that they are at rest compared to one and other. So I would say that VBA is equals to 0. Velocity of B reference to A, or I am saying velocity B relative to A is equals to 0, where individually VA is equal to 20 kmph and VB is equal to 20 kmph. But when you are comparing with this one of the velocity of VA, now this is 0, VBA is 0. And similarly VAB, velocity of B reference to A, velocity of A reference to B, 0. When you are speaking about relative and reference, now there is a comparison comes. Suppose if A is speed of 40 kmph and B has a speed 50 kmph. Now if you are already 40 and these are moving in the same north direction, if you observe from this one, from A, this is only having speed of 10 kmph as you are observing from train A where you are in the train A present. So velocity of B with reference to A, VBA means velocity of B relative to A, velocity of B relative to A. So this is a simple. So what is meant by relative velocity? The velocity of one body describes with respect to another body. with respect to another body. Suppose A and B are the two bodies. Velocity of A relative to B, VAB. Velocity of A relative to B. VBA. Velocity of B. Velocity of B relative to A. So VAB is equals to minus VBA. Sign convention is very much important. How to write this one? Suppose a body's positions, A position at a time t is equal to 0, at time t is equal to 0, then what is to write? XA naught. Position B, position at a time t is equal to 0, we will write it as XB is equals to XB naught, right? We have seen X actually, we will write it as XA. So the total position XA at time t is equal to 0, X naught plus VA into T. How to write actually? How to write the position is velocity into time. So XA is equals to velocity of A into time. So we will write it as more clarity according to this notation. So XA naught V plus VAT. Similarly, XB of T is equal to X naught plus VB into T, or XB of T is equal to XB naught plus VB into T, right? Now, how to write this? Displacement, the displacement from object A or body A, object A to object B, object B. What is right? Relative position of B to A means XB relative to A with reference to time, which is equals to XB minus XA. Position only I am speaking, relative position. Then we will go with a velocity, no issue. Then what is XB? This is XB and this is XA. So XBA is equals to XB naught minus XA naught, right, plus VB minus VA into T. If initial positions are 0, 0, then how to write? XBA is equals to VB minus VA into T. VB minus VA into T. Similarly, I will write it as VBA, velocity of B relative to A is equal to VB minus VA. So this is a velocity of A relative to B. Now VAB is equal to VA minus VB. So VAB is equals to minus VBA. VAB is equals to minus VBA. velocity of A relative to B is equals to velocity of B relative to A. So this is a simple calculations. So now we shall see how to approach in the problems. See, this is a road track or train track, whatever it is. When like a car is moving, a bus is moving, which is moving right side, x direction. This is a reference axis to us. A reference axis to us, right? This is a reference axis to us. Now, this velocity in this direction is taken as positive. Suppose if the body like another bus or another one which is moving in opposite directions, in this case the velocity is negative. Of course, generally first we describe with the ground, not earth. Earth means ground. Suppose if velocity of A is given, means which is relative to ground. We will write it as VAG, no issue. This is also correct. If velocity of B is given, that means velocity of B relative to ground. What is the ground velocity? Ground velocity is 0. What is the ground velocity? Here also 0. So VAG is equals to VA minus VG. So VAG simply equals to VA, because VAG is equals to 0. Right. So we will do such like problems. Reference axis must be notated before doing this problem. First, if we want to solve the problem, the reference axis must be noted. Okay. With a simple understanding problem, I will solve a simple problem. These are the two parallel tracks, north south. Of course, this is north, south, east, west. Two parallel tracks. This is one track. This is other track. This is track 1. This is track 2. Train A moves north with a speed of, this is a train A, where train A is there, north with a speed of 54 kilometer per hour. Train B moves south. Train B moves south with a speed of 90 kilometer per hour. What is the velocity of B relative to with respect to A? First, we shall understand velocity of A is equal to 54 kmph. We will convert into 54 into 5 by 18, which is 315 meters per second. Right. Next, VB. What is a reference axis? Already I said that first reference axis must be noted. This is called as a reference axis. Reference axis. If this is going in this direction, positive, opposite, negative. So VB is equals to, here they have given us 90 kmph, but I am putting negative here. Now Now minus 90 into 5 by 18, so minus 25 meters per second, right? First one, velocity of B. The question is velocity of B respect to A or relative to A. So VB minus VA. VB is minus 25 minus 15. You will get it as minus 40 meters per second. Of course, if they ask in the kilometer per hour, we need not to write all the things. Second one, velocity of ground with respect to B. So velocity of ground with respect to B. See, Vg minus Vb. Vg minus Vb. What is Vb here? No. What is the velocity of the ground? Already I said in this 0 minus. What is Vb? Minus 25 meters per second. Minus of minus plus 25 meters per second. So velocity of ground with respect to B is plus 25 meters per second, right? Now, what is velocity of a monkey running on the roof of a train A? Against its motion, velocity is 18 kmph with respect to train A as observed by a man standing on the ground. See, this is a track B, track 2, where a train is coming down. This is actually train moves south towards south. Train moves towards south. What is a monkey's motion? Monkey's direction? A monkey is there which is moving like this. Where train, we see the train roof is like this. Right. With a velocity 18 meters per second, kmph. So velocity of the monkey with respect to sorry, here again a simple train moves reverse we have taken. See, this is a track A, so track 1, and this is train A's motion, and monkey is moving against to that roof. So velocity of monkey with respect to a train is equal to Vm minus Va, which is given as 18 meters per second, 18 kmph. So Vm minus Va is equal to 5 meters per second. Alright, 5 meters per second. What is the direction of the monkey? Direction of the monkey is downward. Shall I put negative sign? This is negative. Okay. Now Vm minus Va is equal to minus 5 meters per second. What is Va? Vm minus Va is 15 meters per second is equal to minus 5 meters per second. Vm is equal to minus 5 plus 10, sorry, minus 5 plus 15 is equals to plus 10 meters per second. This is actually velocity of the monkey which is moving downward direction. Monkey is moving downward where train A is moving upward direction. In that way actually we can calculate. So this is what actually exactly, if you understand this one, such many problems are there are based on relative velocity concept.